Hey, welcome back to the Sawmill, everybody. Or if it's your first time watching one of my videos, my name's Chris. I'm back here with the Woodland Mills HM126 portable sawmill again today. And I had a little bit of a different idea for a video today, although still staying on the topic of sawmills. When I'm trying to make videos and that, a lot of the times I'll think about the kind of thing I would have liked to see when I was first looking around for sawmills and didn't have too much knowledge about them at all. So this might be kind of a video for you if you're in that same position, and that is that it might not be the greatest camera work and I might not be talking a lot during this video, but the idea I had was to just leave the camera going as I cut up this log behind me, and just, don't do any cuts, don't do any editing, just let it roll and let you guys see how long it takes me to cut up this log. I've had the mill for about 8 months, so if you're somebody that's just getting a mill, there is a little bit of knowledge and stuff to get good at cutting. I wouldn't consider myself that good yet, but just for the sake of argument, if you have just got a mill and don't really have that much experience, it might take you a bit longer. If you're somebody that's had the mill for 5, 6, 7, 10 years, you'll probably do it a lot faster than I would, but I thought it might just kind of make a neat video for you if you're looking around, don't really have that much of an idea of how fast one of these mills turns a log into lumber. I'll just let it roll and you can see the whole process. Now, obviously, if you have watched some of my other videos, I've talked about it before, but I'll briefly just mention that I have everything set up here ready to go. There's obviously a lot more time spent doing a lot of other things to get to this point, like getting your logs to the mill, getting the log up on the mill. I have the blade all tensioned. I've started up the mill, got it warmed up, everything. So I've got everything ready to go. I'm not going to focus on any of that in this video. This video is just specifically to show you how long it takes me, once I have the log up on the mill, everything ready to go, how long it takes me to get this cut up into some lumber. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into it. I apologize. I'm not probably going to be moving the camera around a lot or talking a lot to the camera. This video is just meant to be you watch me as I would normally work, cut this log up into some lumber, see how long it takes, and hopefully that can give you a better idea if it's something you might be interested in. I've got my first little issue that, since I'm still a rookie, I didn't even notice, but I've got kind of little bump sticking out here, so it won't let my mill pass through very well. So I did have a tip from the guy that one of the easiest ways to get around that, I might just stick a couple blocks to help hold the log out a bit further. This actually isn't something that happens that often, but it does happen sometimes, so rather than cut it out and do editing like I said I wasn't going to do, I'll just take it in stride and go with it. Alright guys, hopefully some of you found that somewhat interesting. Just wanted to throw that lumber up on the sawhorse there in case you weren't keeping track. I ended up with 4 2x6s here, and then I've got an inch board here, and I've got 2 more inch boards that I still have to edge, but I'll do that later once I get like a few of them built up, kind of thing. Again, I apologize if that wasn't your favorite video. I know for some people it probably wasn't, but I think that, you know, if you're somebody that's just looking into portable sawmills, thinking like how long does this take kind of thing, maybe that would have been kind of interesting for you. So basically, I wasn't using a stopwatch, but I'm sure on the video you can tell however long it took by the time of the video. But 4 2x6s, 3 other pieces of 1-inch lumber without any kind of stopping or, you know, shenanigans by me editing it out trying to make myself look better than I really am or something like that. But well, not even me trying to make the mill look better than it really is or anything. That's, you just saw no breaks, no cuts, no edits or anything. That's how long it took. So hopefully that was something that interested some of you out there. That's going to be everything for me today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.